what's really going on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Cardano. Price action, looking for support. We have resistance overhead, $2.18, still giving us a hard time. Price action making its way toward this $1.92 level. We see on the 27th of October, price action reaching to and through that key level, which is slightly bearish in my opinion. We also see continued sell pressure overhead. This does suggest perhaps further consolidation or interaction downward for Cardano may be necessary here before the uptrend can continue. We are looking at price action above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. That does give us suggestions of buy pressure present. We're looking at all three of our chosen robo advisors currently bearish on price action ever since the beginning of September, which does suggest perhaps the most bullish area of accumulation has yet to present itself. And so at the moment, we're looking for continued buy pressure and support off of this $1.92 level here, the 0.618 FIBA Illuminati line coming in as support. Failure to hold that level will bring us down to this 200 daily moving average. A bullish interaction with that would be very healthy for the uptrend overall, and would suggest some upward momentum has come back into play. If we experience an interaction similar to the sort of end of July here of this year, where price action experienced a very bullish interaction with the 200 daily moving average, it was able to take us pretty much from the 200 daily moving average around $1.15 and sent us all the way up to over $3. And so at the moment, I do believe we're waiting for further confirmations of support and some robo advisors to become bullish on price action. We're seeing what happens with our interactions with this 200 daily moving average. Technically, the most bullish area of support is waiting for us all the way down at $1.57, currently correlating with the 0.5 FIBA Linguini line. So we do have some technical key levels of support waiting for us down below. We're waiting for a break of this $2.18 resistance. Confirmation of that as support will send us to my next resistance, $2.83. I'm waiting for some robo advisors to become bullish on price action. At the moment, we're looking at all three currently bearish. We'll look at these previous buy signals. The buy 2 coming into play on the 24th of July, and then we have the buy 4 on the 28th. Two of our chosen three robo advisors bullish. Suggested a bullish area of accumulation. After accumulation, we experienced up to 139% in gains on Cardano with EngineeringRobo's buy signals, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And if you didn't sell above at or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 85% in gains if you sold with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And as you can see, when these sell suggestions came into play, when two of our chosen three robo advisors suggested sideways or downside, we have experienced currently up to 24% in downside over the following just over a month here. Currently still awaiting the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation. I would like to see some buy signals come back into play. Two of our chosen three robo advisors do need to become bullish now to suggest a bullish area of comfortable accumulation. Price action too close to resistance. Watch out for confirmations of support. Let me know down below what you're doing with Cardano currently. Now, BLZ against USDT. What do we have here? Price action making its way upward. We have interactions with some key levels to consider at the moment. The current key level we're looking at is 26 cents in my opinion. That is going to wait for confirmation of support or resistance moving forward. Do believe in the immediate short term, price action is making its way upward here to my more significant resistance target. 40 cents is going to be my immediate short term target for BLZ, set after support found back at the end of September here around 19 cents. That is going to be the most bullish area of support here waiting for us. We're just waiting for further interactions and confirmations of this 26 cent level. We're looking at some bullish robo advisors in play. The buy 4 and moon signal have come into play recently throughout the beginning of November here, and we've had this golden cross suggesting buy pressure ever since the 14th of October. Price is currently above this 200 daily moving average as well, suggesting an uptrend. So I do believe we are bullish overall, making our way to 40 cents. Once that is confirmed as support, we have key levels to consider all the way up to 52 cents in my opinion. That is going to be the last level of resistance. Once we are free from that level, we are set to make some more euphoric gains. We're also watching out for an interaction of 46 cents. This is all going to be after confirmation of 40 cents as support. If you look at our previous buy signals here, we have the buy 4 on the 28th of July, moon signal coming into play on the 31st. Two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish after accumulation. We experienced up to 86% in upside. If you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 27% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestion. So easy capitalization on gains with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell signals. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick 3 of the many different robo advisors, and once 2 of your chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish or bearish, you can use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. At the moment, we're looking at all 3 of our robo advisors currently bullish, price action above key moving average suggesting an uptrend. We're just looking for confirmation of this 26-cent level. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis down in the comment section below. Now, we're looking at ENJ against USDT. What do we have here? Bullish upside ever since buy signals back in the beginning of October here. We have the buy for and moon coming into play. All 3 of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action. We have a buy 1 coming from several weeks prior. This buy for and moon suggesting a very bullish area of accumulation. We have price action correlating with support found at a key level near $1.52. However, after these buy signals came into play, we've experienced up to 114% in upside over the following month, easily more than doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions on ENJ. Currently looking at continued upside in my opinion with no sell signals present. I do suspect the uptrend will very much continue. Prices above the 200 daily moving average suggest an uptrend overall. We're just looking for further confirmations of support. My opinion, as price action makes its way downward here, I'm looking for continued buy pressure off of $3.12. My opinion, that is going to be the key level we want solidification of as support, currently correlating with the 0.786 Fibba Bugatti line, $3.15, suggesting a key level present there for us as well. We're looking for confirmation of it as support. Previously, it does appear to have been resistance. The most significant area of support is waiting for us all the way down at $2.19. If we were to make our way downward here, we're always looking out for these technical key confirmations. Overall, we are still bullish in the uptrend continuing. Lots of factors suggesting continued upside. After these sell signals came into play at the 10th of September here, we have price action suggesting some bearish or sideways price action, and we did experience up to 26% in downside over the following 18 days after EngineeringRobo became bearish, and we've experienced over 100% in gains ever since EngineeringRobo became bullish. Currently still expecting continued upside. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with ENJ at current levels? Now, Mana against USDT, Decentraland coin, price action. After seeing some very bullish upside ever since buy signals back at the beginning of October, we have the buy 2 on the 5th, buy 4 on the 9th, suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near 83 cents. After that area of accumulation presented itself, we've experienced up to 487% in upside over the following 21 days after EngineeringRobo became bullish, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $50,000, almost $60,000, just by sitting around smelling at it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, technically we do have anticipation of continued upside with only one of our chosen 3 robo advisors currently bearish. We're waiting for a second robo advisor to become bearish to suggest perhaps a comfortable area of take profit. But I do believe after a 5 almost 6x return on your money in a very short amount of time, we can expect some perhaps continued sideways or interaction downward, because I do believe that was a very bullish move upward in a very short amount of time. We have some key levels here printed. I'm looking for interaction with $2.89. We're looking to see if this is support or resistance. We're looking for an interaction with $2.34. So far, we're looking for interaction of it as support, and we have resistance overhead waiting for us at $3.53. In my opinion, these are going to be the key levels I'm looking for interaction with throughout this phase of sideways here. If you were to make our way downward, we're watching out for $1.49, and the most bullish area of support is waiting for us all the way back down at $1.01. Those are going to be the key levels to consider in my opinion. The final level of resistance waiting for us is $4.95. Watch out for a second robo advisor becoming bearish on price action. Let me know down below where you think prices will go. Personally, we've been very bullish very quickly. I suspect some continued sideways before the uptrend can continue. Now, Ethereum price action still considerably bullish in my opinion. We have tons of buy pressure coming off of support near $4,375 per Ethereum. Price is currently making its way toward previous, I do believe, all-time highs created on the 3rd of November here. We're looking for prices interacting above $4,665 per Ethereum to perhaps consider some continued upside. I do believe right now we're still looking very bullish in my opinion. We're looking for continued support found. A rejection off of that key level would bring us us down to support near 43.75. We also have support waiting for us 41.98, and then the most bullish area of support is going to be 39.27. So I do believe right now price action has been very bullish in a very short amount of time, and so any sort of sideways or interaction downward is going to be very bullish for the uptrend overall. I still anticipate a $6,000 Ethereum. Let me know down below where you think Ethereum will go. Now, we're looking at Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, just waiting to do something. Price action in this very tight range of sideways. We have considerable support and buy pressure coming off of $60,000 per Bitcoin. We have technical key support coming off of $58,800 per Bitcoin. So far, the most bullish area of accumulation that we had a chance to accumulate near between the 27th and 28th of October. So far, price action staying in the 60K range, waiting for a break of $64,750 per Bitcoin. That is the final level of potential significant resistance waiting for us. Once we are free from that level, we are set to see some considerable gains, perhaps interacting with a $130,000 Bitcoin. I do believe we are set to see some very euphoric upside once we are free from this range of consolidation. Price action building considerable momentum. We are just waiting for a breakout here. And let me know down below where you think price action will go if you're buying or selling at current levels. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.